Today I'm going over the CamDuck Model C508 spy camera, security camera. It's basically a USB charging port and C port. Very straightforward. Just a protective cover here. USB port, C port. This is just indicating where the reset button is. You'd take that off because we don't need it on. Protective covering. That's just the reset button you would hit with a toothpick if you want to reset factory default. The camera itself, this little hole right here, which is very hard to see, which is good for security. You just plug it in. Okay, let's see what else comes in the box. You got your user manual. Explains all the features of the device, of the camera, all the setup, what all the indicator lights mean. You got your QR code to download the app, or you just go to wherever you get your apps at to download the CamDuck app. And we'll show you how it sets up and how useful it can be. Very good user manual, step by step. Okay, inside we also have a pick, and they send you a nice card reader, the SD card. Micro SD, slide her in and into your computer or whatever you're downloading the video and pictures into. We'll show you on part of the setup here. Get your pick, handy dandy pick. Okay, yeah, simply take off the back plate here with your pick. You can see the SD slot. Take your card, little diagram there. It'll only go in one way. Push it in. You can use your fingernail, but it's better to use the pick. You push down until it clicks. Voila. And simply put the cover back on. You're good to go. Okay, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use my EB55 Blue Eddy. You just plug into any 120 socket, 110. The lights that are indicating. Right now it's red and flashing blue. If the blue lights flash, camera's not connected to the Wi-Fi. Blue lights on, like a solid, camera is connected. If the red light's flashing, SD card is not recognized. If the red light is on, the SD card is recognized. Red and blue light flashing 5 times and goes out, camera factory reset restored. So if you ever want to reset the factory defaults, use your toothpick and reset it and the lights will flash 5 times. Now let's hook it up to the app. I already have the CamDuck app on my phone because I have other cameras with CamDuck. Open it up. Right away it asks for permission to access the CamDuck. I like to just go allow while using app. Allow, start. One camera found. Select. Bluetooth configuration. You got to make sure you have your Bluetooth on. You got to make sure you have your Wi-Fi. Hopefully you can see that on the video. Wi-Fi name, that's my Wi-Fi. Password's already in. So we're good. It's going to try and find it, connect it. Just taking a little time to set up. Connecting to Wi-Fi. And there we go. It's connecting. And there we go. We got the camera. You can see my hand. Very straightforward. So just depending on where you want to set it in your house, you could even leave it on the power station if you want. If you keep an eye on who's snooping with your power station. You got your settings, upper right, camera name. You can edit all that depending where you want it. I'll go with, I'll probably have it in the storage room, but you can edit to whatever you want. Then you got your different modes, Wi-Fi configuration, network, camera information, time setting. It'll automatically set the time for your camera off your phone. So whatever your phone time is will be on the video clips. Recording status, motion detection, recording. And you got loop record. Yeah, I like to do the motion detection. That way it's not just running all the time. Detects motion, starts recording. And that's it. Very straightforward. If you have any questions, just ask in the comments. And when it's running too, you can notice that the lights aren't flashing. So it doesn't indicate, it's a little more stealthful that way. It doesn't indicate that it's an actual camera. It just looks like a normal USB port, and you can use it. Same with the C port. You can use it. There will be a link in the description. If you think it's something you may need or would like, please go through my link. I get a very small commission. Canadian Dreamer, out.